Ofi Alonso mpacho hon ti saying.
Sounds way.
Amiadom.
Come Carrick.
Hey, no Europe. I have some Chelsea. Eba say Kofi. Ananya asem. Chelsea love we na. Next season Europe ba ko kra dey.
Chelsea level ben. Chelsea no level ben o.
Hey. I don't know financial some na Ghana. Team a FIFA Club World Cup. Amusi we are sitting na amu na mu bobo. Na ye Dami Adman next season. Ye who Chelsea or Europe. Europa no. Conference no. Champions League no. Na champions they say oh you belong to the champions family.
But
it is your family no. Ni amodi and vra what you say.
Chelsea doesn't quite have any level in the last few years. And Makani several times for me I don't quite get Ninti as a people want to change the goalposts of Chelsea because let will be and Nihosa as a club. And the reason why I'm saying this is that which the first year under Clay League, almost the 12th. Second year, almost the 6th. Third year, almost the 4th. Ideally, if things are not gone south, Chelsea should have been 4th, 5th again this season and got in Europe. I think that it is easy for Chelsea to find out what the problem has been this season. And so after the Club World Cup, one of the things that I was very, very vehement on, and he said, Oje Club World Cup and Chelsea OBGBB. In fact, the best thing I can be to Chelsea was to again qualify for Europe and be consistent there. So when the season started, I told you so Chelsea I expect 4th, 5th, thereabouts. Because Obi are not doing the Chelsea be do season we remember G League. Akoji Champions League. At the point more than second. Yes. But league no, but still you see Rich. When anybody makes a prediction so beats me winning league, it is not made over a form. You make that prediction over the possibility of the long 38 game season. You don't just say okay, we have pick form to beat me at the league, you know. Yes, you can say that, but then beyond sad, you know, the money the form of the 38 game, not just 10 games or 5 games. Yes, Chelsea at some point of the second. And I remember as I said, the only time I'll be comfortable with Chelsea and say if by March, because Obeka, the season prior to this season, not Chelsea at the 3rd, then December, January, and I plummeted here. So around that time, I kept on saying that I will wait until March because that is where the season is decided. Yeah, Champions League semi-final, final, signing money, you know. It is in March that all of those things are done. Who's okay, fine. Truly, you can have that discussion of whether you're going to win any trophy or not. But immediately, Maresca left. Whether it was because Maresca and I chose the man, immediately Maresca was out of the equation. Everybody knew. Pochettino did set. Maresca did be 4th. Saying how can you Club World Cup, the Conference League. And now, not the second at some point in the season. Chelsea, for we beat Masaka, said there were times in the season was also struggle. It happens. Every coach will struggle at certain points of the season. But he was second. So if you take such a person out, now Utini Bebe and stable, it's a problem. Which that part is gone. For me, Makacho almost a month now, and I'll say it again. The most important part of Chelsea project, this summer. You see, any analyst that would try to compare Chelsea projects with Paris Saint-Germain, say, Arsenal, say, or any other project that have gotten to a fruition stage, will be way off the mark. Because there are phases to football projects. You can always go back to the Paris Saint-Germain project when it started. There was a dominance in France, but what really mattered, no Monsanka. And they had spent more at the time. It was a record than now saying that Chelsea were breaking 1 billion 7. Paris Saint-Germain were buying. 222 million. Yeah, pure superstars. But Uku and Nimano, Akwes Abrabo, now what's the now Twiki, Now the way shame. Now you wait for him. It got to a point where they had almost given up. They went a pro-French route. Kofa, Christophe Galtier, Mobile, someone Mambe Yejuma. Galtier could not essentially succeed. There had been world-class coaches that had gone on there. But you tweak, make changes. For me, it always depends on one man. When the Kroenke family wanted to rebuild the Arsenal team post Arsene Wenger, it was up and down kakra. My biggest problem with Chelsea, and I say, in all of these two teams, America was a Champions League final. Both of them had stability at some point, or the most crucial part of the season. So there's stability with coach, there's a stability with player. It's one player like Paris Saint-Germain. Marquinhos has been there through it all. They don't let certain characters leave the team. But we are a little bit unstable. It causes you more damage than it is. Rich, this summer is going to be very important for Chelsea. First off, Nyame can say, Xabi Alonso, a interview be with El Chiringuito. No, the report was that Kushia Chelsea directors DB, by a couple of them. Now Kushia movie in El Chiringuito for, I think they're Marcos Benito, and it's 10 Ushia Madrid Krumo. Ushia Xabi Alonso look at and say, Barcelona, Madrid, Man City, big clubs be players be, and a ball Joao Pedro, Boku Credo, Bo Enzo Fernandez. I like what Xabi Alonso first said. I see, Chelsea projects on you better try any idea beating. Secondly, on concerned about players no so whatever happens, we will build a formidable squad. Which at this point in time, Chelsea's biggest risks will be said they will convince players who don't want to stay at the club to be there. Say be a player be said change your person.
I shall say reflect with other clubs.
The greatest mistake you do is to keep them there because unim. Oh yes, Saint Amicas.
There can be a change of mind.
Oh, Kasa there, and I mean of course, Nipa there, but I'm saying that you don't have to force somebody who doesn't want to be there. Nipa why not doing so beko baby rich. Kasa and Sana doing.
Sure.
But Okasa by force, you force contractual hands, contract law now manatna. Yes, the player will play the football, but you don't have him for the long term. And I'm making this point again and going back to Arsenal and Paris Saint-Germain. Rich, so share Paris Saint-Germain team now. There was a great cultural shift. Nhyira make us about cultural shift too. And it's very important in the modern game for you to win. I've said it. So tactics near the idea 15% of it. Every other thing comes together. But idea very important is building a culture in a team. When the team begins to feel so okay, we work for each other. When you want to machine, it pushes the team to get results. Rich, Louis Enrique Bayo, or try. In fact, to the extent so killing Lieutenant Mbappe tonight, a be a video channel. X-ray in the or no Mbappe has to drop back to press. According to him, we Mbappe now we are the leader of the team. He said we are the other unimportant, for want of a better word, players will do same. It got to a point where when Madrid got the advantage to get Mbappe out of Paris Saint-Germain, Luis Enrique said, okay, fine. If that is going to be the case, then I would have to make sure say the culture shift is in this place. It happened again with Ousmane Dembele 2 seasons ago. Champions League, I think in the league phase or knockout phases. No, league phase or the count Arsenal. Arsenal Sheno. He had dropped Dembele.
Yeah.
I don't know, the report were that only Dembele were issues because of pressing. Since then, Victor Kvaratskhelia, Desiree Doué, Bradley Barcola, or no Ousmane Dembele na Babeka say, if you don't press for Luis Enrique, you will not play. That is cultural shifts. Paris Saint-Germain had shifted from the superstar team and not constantly. They were just about a tippy-tappy football to now a team of 11 men willing to work out for each other while also upholding their technical superiority in matches. If you don't change the culture, you will not succeed. Arsenal, there was a bad culture of Arsenal for Adjinimu because of the long-term defeats, thinking that they are always going to be second fiddle to Chelsea or London. Arsenal for the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. From maybe not players, friends and fans, so okay, you qualify for Europa League. Then una emnima ye be so okay, Lucas Torreira, okay, oh, you be finance. When Arteta came in there, he did an all or nothing video. I've made several times. The day I began in Arteta, and then 5 years ago, when I sat down, I said that nah, this man, he will win the league for Arsenal. And I didn't have to wait for the whole thing to ripe. You see it from the beginning. He gets over the horizon and believes, okay, Bessie. Arteta did the all or nothing video. In fact, the first season, only 8, or a believe video. Arsenal fans began to think that, along the line, there were fans that felt that Arteta will lose too much. And he need pursuing the buying. Then we begin to ask questions, say, is this thing going to work or is it not going to work? But the leader of the team says that he changed the culture and the mentality of Arsenal. Which one thing that Mikel Arteta did, Arsenal as a club, it was put as Arsene Wenger. Now a coach will come and will be in charge of recruitment. When Arteta came, his personality and everything had changed so much so that the Kronki people were able to give him that autonomy. In Sobeka and the Edu, there were reports Arteta would veto certain players coming in. Even though the sporting directors did not agree on players' number. Changing the mindset of the club to the extent that now for the second it's not enough. It was one man. Whilst the structure was there, one man. And you see, the very first thing Xabi Alonso would have to do, in my opinion, is to change the culture at Chelsea. And in changing that, you need players that are willing to work with you. And as simple as that. There was a reason why Mikel Arteta were fixed on Thomas Partey. When they were starting the project, he was part of the people. Abra Partey, as some tone on the club knew that even though there may be evidence that will be against the Ghanaian, until proving so, until say it too bad for us to do, and they did. So when Jabi Ebemu as a manager, he needs players that will believe that they want to go on and do the job. Our Chelsea, and whilst they do that, they should give him the chance to bring in. Nia Eyeme Ehami Minani say, Rich. Power na Jabi Alonso eba binya o Chelsea no. Enu na wan hwe ni ye a ebetimi asanso ya ne downfall.
Why?
No kure Chelsea sporting directors no pay the players o matono. Omo show so mo nyade. Pay the managers that have come in. But uni say Xabi Alonso has come in because of the track record, the Jima Wire of Madrid, and of course Bayern for Leverkusen. And I said the last time to you, at Bayern, there was Simon Roofs that did the recruitment for Xabi. At Madrid, Uni Califat, Florentino Perez, then of course you add Obi to say Jose Angel Sanchez, that did a job for him. 3. So maybe he may have had input. But at Chelsea, he is going to have a veto. Some power that he has not had before. It is a big gamble on from the point of view of Chelsea. Circumstances have forced Chelsea to gamble. How many choices being? They could have given it to Maresca, who had proven that he was a good enough coach. And but because of issues they see, Maresca is gone. You are bringing in a coach who is good enough and experienced as a player, as a coach, and can win for you. But you are giving him power that you have not given anybody before. So now, the onus is on Xabi Alonso to make sure say Obetini a proper squad profile and bring the players in. Rich, if you want to buy players in the modern game, there's too much overemphasis on data. Too much. Yeah, there is an intersection point between data and then what meets the eye. You may be on they are too intangible. Say until for data and quantify like a player's attitude.
Data be
Edding.
Unless you work with the player.
No, day-to-day. And no data. But the only player in India, how can you analyze that part of their game? And I am hoping, honestly speaking, for the past 1 to 3 to 4 weeks, when I get a lot of calls. In fact, I went to Accra on Friday, and Saturday me bano and I'm stopping with Linda do kakra. Me see free Linda do, me see free kanimana. There's a gentleman, I say a friend, the father. Or say, Sasa do close to any name. And also, chief, I'm a sure power or more juma. Now, your Chelsea being the response that automatically came out of me, that honestly speaking, I'm just hoping. Say Zabi can be the man.
So, Zabi, no, Anna. Oma mufiri so no mo ye adwuma na mo boa na man build the team. For example, Una Emery.
Yeah.
Oni Munchi or ko baby on nenam.
Exactly.
Man fan brai. At least maybe you betimi aboa no.
Simon Roves. Well, I think that can also be.
Yeah, betimi aboa.
But what is clear is that Chelsea for look like they want to at least give one more season to our sporting directors now.
Okay.
At least I'm sure that's in the mind of Egbali say sporting directors no at least enye juma for one more season with Zabi, because Ankoye with Pochettino, Ankoye with Porter, Ankoye with Maresca, Ankoye with and I say they be as a coach that we have to look at the sporting directors. I think this may be the last season for them and they have to change things on them. Which where Joseph Guardiola
finally
Premier League, you know,
or Free City or Free Premier League.
I know that for you Manchester United fans, a big thing. Some of what Joseph have done, and then I won't get time. But as the days go on, I have some interesting analysis that I'll do on comparing Joseph and Sir Alex Ferguson as managers. One of them is about longevity for Sir Alex Ferguson. It's not Premier League and dominated it.
Ebi mo feel say there's this school of thought or mo feel say look the kind of influencer Pep Enya.
Yeah.
And also they are mad the Premier League, no. Not even Alex Ferguson, not even Arsene Wenger, because Papa ne buy, no. And then we share the Premier League now. Most of the teams, most of them, will be a person born about Pep.
Hey, Rich, Pep has been generational, not just in the Premier League. Rich, Pep bar Premier League, will lose the league in 10 years, and in fact in his whole career, the only clubs that Pep has lost league titles to are Real Madrid, Liverpool, Chelsea Football Club. And when you go back and you look at the kind of managers in Arsenal, well, he took twice to Arsenal, twice to Liverpool, once to Arsenal, once to Chelsea, and of course to Real Madrid. Because when he was at the German Bundesliga, of course, there was total dominance, although when winning in Europe. So that is the level. Rich, Pep has been dominant. Style of play, management of the dressing room. BBA in terms of the total control of a football team, Joseph has given it to you. And it is clear. Then the style of play, send up all about Premier League in Rich. The people that had this biggest question say, on Timmy succeeded with Premier League in him. But look at him. And they open Premier League trophies. Premier League, not league titles for England. Man City in that second. Yeah, Cup Premier League in after Manchester United. Man City in that second with 8 before Chelsea comes in 4th with 4 points, four titles.
Within 9 years, nobody do a Premier League. No?
Yes.
Wow.
You had one example of
number of years
7 or so.
Alex Ferguson.
Yes.
Manchester United.
So that's
the 9 years after that second.
That's what I'm telling you, that it is about longevity versus peak. Pepe peaky dominating. Sir Alex Ferguson was the longevity boss.
But one of the best coach in the Premier League.
Oh, for me is Joseph.
Okay. Kakano better 9 years.
Yeah, Rich, 9 years going Kaka in the modern game. In this high and fire environment.
No, so be a more than 20. No, be about 9.
And because say for Sir Alex Ferguson.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Ideally, in his early days, United probably would have sacked him.
Okay.
It is more volatile, in my opinion, at this point in time. And for him to stay there, gets the success. And you see also the magnitude of the club. Which and then City Nibia, Man United Nikasa, City Nibia Kasabi. Before then, they were noisy neighbors. That is who they were. So that has been fantastic. It's just to end. Congratulations to Arsenal.
Right.
Any Arsenal for you now?
Oh, man, they're 22 years there.
They deserve it.
Okay.
And they've built a formidable squad in T.
All right.
They should celebrate. Rich now, and no boys inside first car.
Okay.
Now the promise was that every season the boys in be this cabby and no almost answer first car. And then when you say English Premier League now, we are there are other leagues in Europe so bomb matches. Minimum, but like we've been doing this week now.
Right.
Just go on Fiifi Manfred Facebook, Fiifi Manfred Twitter. Okra, you find all the codes there. Make sure so I go for be no discount.
All right, but that's it. Fiifi Manfred na Martin Kano. Ayala bana ayala